Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
LAnse-aux-Gascons is a charming village, located along the beautiful Gaspésie Peninsula in Quebec. This peaceful community sits right by the Gulf of St. Lawrence, offering stunning views of the water and the rugged coastline. LAnse-aux-Gascons has a rich history that goes back centuries. The name LAnse-aux-Gascons means Cove of the Gascons, which refers to the settlers from the Gascony region in France, who arrived here in the 17th century. They were drawn to this area by the abundant fishing opportunities and the natural beauty of the land. This village has always been closely connected to the sea. Fishing has been a way of life here for generations, and you can still see fishing boats along the shore today. The community is also known for its warm hospitality and the strong sense of tradition that locals proudly maintain. As we explore LAnse-aux-Gascons, you'll notice the quiet charm of its landscapes. The surrounding area is filled with forests, rivers, and rolling hills, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. Whether you're enjoying a walk along the beach or simply taking in a peaceful atmosphere, LAnse-aux-Gascons offers a wonderful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life.
you.